Today I'm talking to you about generator capacities suitable for ice block machines in Nigeria. Many people have asked me about the kind of generator that they can use or the capacity of generator. And what I tell them is that it depends on the capacity of the ice block machine they are using. But these questions have been coming to me repeatedly, and based on this, I am doing this video today to talk about generator capacities that are suitable for ice block machines in Nigeria. So I have different capacities of ice block and also have different capacities of generator, and we are going to match them together. Number one generator capacity is a generator capacity of 12.5 to 15 kVA. This is suitable for ice block engine capacity of 6 horsepower. So if your ice block engine capacity is 6 horsepower, then a generator of 12.5 to 15 kVA is suitable. Then if your generator capacity is 20 to 25 kVA, then the engine capacity of the ice block machine should be around 12 horsepower. Then if the capacity of the ice block, the engine capacity of the ice block is 18 horsepower, then you should get a generator capacity of 27 to 30 kVA. If your ice block machine is 25 horsepower to 25 horsepower, that's the engine capacity of the ice block, then generator capacity should be around 45 to 47 kVA that you should go for. If your generator capacity is 60 to 65 kVA, then you should go for your engine capacity should be around 30 horsepower. That is, for 30 horsepower engine capacity of your ice block machine, you should go for a generator capacity of 60 to 65 kVA. Engine capacity of 50 horsepower, that is the capacity of the ice block machine, is 50 horsepower. The generator should be around 100 to 120 kVA. Then if the engine capacity of ice block machine is, so for ice block engine capacity of 60 horsepower, you should get a generator capacity of 150 kVA. So these are the different ice block capacities that you should go for, and then you are going to make your money from the ice block business. I've told you the reason why you should go for this ice block generator. The reason, if you see that when you use generator you can still make profit, you should go for a generator, because your main aim is profit. So if by the time you use generator you are still going to make profit, why not go for it? I'm going to talk to you in my next YouTube video. I'm thinking and planning an ice block investment fund where we are going to put funds together to make ice block business. And some people have contacted that they don't have money up to so amount to start the business. So I'm thinking funds can be put together and the business can be done, then profit can be shared back to the shareholders. I'm going to talk to you in my next YouTube video. I've done more than 10 videos on ice block business. Check them out. If you have any question, check all those videos out first. Then you can come back, and then if you don't find answers to your question in that video, you can come back and I'll be glad to answer you. I'm going to talk to you some other time. Bye for now.